Here's how you add a GIF to your email in FLODESK. I have one in this email here. I just duplicated the email and I'm going to show you how to add it. So I'm going to hit edit. Then here we are in my email. And this is an email that I have about Black Friday deals. And I am talking up here about being confused by different tools in your business. So I want to add a GIF. So what I'm going to do is go to the little plus, then it's going to drop down with all these options. I'm going to go to image. Then if I click in this box, it's going to bring up this right panel and I can add image from my computer, Upsplash, Giphy, or Canva. I'm going to do the Giphy. Next, I'm going to click in the box to add it. And here are a ton of different options here, but I can also search. So I'm going to search confused and then hit enter. And then here are a ton of different options of confused looks. Here's the one that I used here. So I'm going to select it. Then I can also change the sizing because that's a little big and intrusive. So here's one that says, I'm so confused. Then I can also, let me show you some other options that we have here. We're going to click in here, click on Giphy, add. I may say happy, and here are happy, or I could do dancing. That's another great one, dancing. So here are options for different dancing videos that you can add to your emails. And this is just a great way to add some comedic relief or just to really grab their attention as they're scrolling or stop the scroll. So let's add this one right here from Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, and we can make it a little bit smaller. So that is how you add a GIF to your emails in FLODESK. Now, if you want to hack on how to make it so that those that are in a workflow or welcome sequence aren't receiving your weekly emails, check out this video here. No.